It has recently been announced that Irish Ferries, the Dover-Calais ferry operator, has entered into a bareboat charter agreement with a purchase obligation on the P&O Ferry Spirit of Britain and is to be renamed. The vessel is available for immediate delivery and is expected to enter service with Irish Ferries sometime during June. The Spirit of Britain will enhance and increase the capacity for both passenger and freight customers on its Dover-Calais route. The ship was built at STX Europe in Finland in 2010 and entered service on the Dover-Calais route for P&O in 2011, where she has remained in service with P&O Ferries. The ship has been acquired for a total consideration of €89.4 million, settled through a combination of a 2-year bareboat charter set at €20,000 per day and a purchase obligation of €74.8 million at the end of the charter. The acquisition of the vessel will allow Irish Ferries to move one of the 3 existing Dover-Calais ships to replace a chartered vessel operating on the Rosslare-Pembroke dock route. This has recently been confirmed that the vessel due to be moved will be the Isle of Innisfree, the current older vessel of the 3 vessels operating with Irish Ferries on the Dover-Calais route. The agreement means customers booked with either carrier, P&O or Irish Ferries, will be offered the next available departure when they arrive at port, whichever company is operating it, helping them reach their destination faster. This is obviously in direct competition with Eurotunnel. Initially serving freight customers, the agreement means all freight on the quayside will be shipped on the next available sailing on either carrier. This will ensure ferry capacity is fully utilised, easing port congestion, lowering the carbon footprint of the Dover-Calais route and delivering efficiencies. Under the agreement, the 2 operators plan to extend the space charter arrangement to passengers, enabling them to benefit from greater flexibility over travel times, reduced port waiting times and reduced delays if they miss intended crossings, particularly at peak periods. This space charter will benefit ferry customers focusing on both journey time and the value offered by ferry crossings, and gives a significant upgrade to the Dover-Calais ferry proposition compared to other options. All commercial activities remain entirely under the control of each ferry operator, both P&O and Irish Ferries.